Go. Say word, cheetah. We're coming.
Come get me. Say, here I come, Dad. Jaxie, come get me.
You can get to Dad. Say, I see you. Let's see, we're going to get you. Put your hands down. There you go. There you go. It does roll if you put your hands right here. Put your hands on the red. Now go to the next red. Put your hands on this red. You gotta put your hands down though too. That helps. Push it down. Push it down. Push it there. Keep pushing it down. Push it down. Now push the green down. That's really good. Push it down. There. We're gonna roll them over, aren't we? Push those hands down though. It helps if you put the hands down, because then we push it. We push it.
Say, rah, rah, I'm a lion.
I'm a cheetah.
You a cheetah?
Yeah.
Be a cheetah, then keep going.
You're a fast cheetah. No, you put your hands right here. I'll help you. You won't fall. Yay! Let's go.